Hey, what up, people?
DJ Claymon here.
With her boyfriend, ScorpioVenger.
And this is going to be Burp Contest 5.
Well, for us in general.
Yeah, us in general.
The first video for her channel, actually. So.
Yes, for my YouTube. So, yeah. And I'm drinking Mountain Dew. He's drinking
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Dicker.
Oh my god, you snorted. What the hell?
Yeah. You should have known me. I do that.
Okay, that's something weird.
Hey. Okay, evidently I started. Hey. What the heck?
No, that's not weird. Well, if it was beer, then it'd be better.
Yep. What the hell?
Dang, mine ain't coming out right. Unusual.
Hey, that didn't sound right. Hey, I'll see you.
Okay, what? You snort again. Here's the machine. I snort twice and burp. What the fuck? The hell is that?
I'm laughing and burp twice.
Okay, that is new. And I just snorted. What the fuck?
What the hell, dude?
That was a good one.
You gotta admit. Saints Day! Hoorah!
Fuck Tom Brady.
Fuck you!
Who breathes in the man?
Hoorah! Yep.
She didn't spit out that time.
This face.
Yeah. Oh my god. Whoa, look at this spilling. Dang, I've missed before you.
Yeah. Okay, that's weird. We both did it at the same time. Done.
That came out wrong. And we both done, so look at like that.
Peace out by DJ Claymon and
ScorpioVenger.